Hello everyone, welcome to iPrototype. My name is Brian. So today I want to talk about a very controversial topic. How do you know that my phone is spying on me? I'm using iPhone XS. Go to the settings app, then you scroll through the location services, then you click on system services and system location. So once you go to significant locations, you can actually see the locations that you have been. So I also want to touch on also the parents there. You know, growing up in this digital age, there's a lot of things that you don't know. I think this is a very good way that you can actually know your whereabouts of your children, because in this digital era, information is everywhere, especially now even 5G is coming. So you can imagine what your child is doing on their phones. So watch out. Like, share, comment, and turn off the notification bell, and see you in the next video. Thank you everyone.